Do some race car shit. So, FC is going into storage again. Fuck. It's been like a fucking year since we last recorded and the car was coming out of storage. And now, it's going back to storage. But... have they seen this car in coils yet? Yeah, that was the last video. Oh. I'm gonna pull the car out and then we will show you. We're gonna get some 6 startup shots. Start it up? Yes, why not? Let it fucking start. We have a surprise for you guys in this video. If it starts. Guessing that was his horn grounding? So much sound, so I might have to yell. But basically, from the last video, the car was on coilovers. After that, the engine blew up, the cone seals went, and then the car was down for what, like 4 or 5 months? Yeah. 4 or 5 months. They got a new engine. Let's show them the engine. It's bridge ported. 13B and still NA. It's a 6-port, but it's like a Frankenstein engine. So it's like okay, I don't remember exactly, but from what I remember, it's S5 housings, turbo 2 irons, still S4 6-port rotors and crank. And OEM seals with a half bridge, so it's a large 3-port on the secondaries, no, on the primaries, and on the secondaries it's a bridge port, and same with the aux ports. Aux ports are also bridge port. And here, pass me the camera. So, oh yeah, you can't see. Shine a light. On your black and yellow? Yes. As you can see, the engine is black and yellow now. Black and yellow, black and yellow. And yeah, that's basically all I did. Put some tires on. It's a new battery. New terminals. What else? Let me see. I think that's it. Your exhaust. Oh yes, I got some eBay special fart cans. Look at that shit. It sounds pretty good. Interior is pretty much the same. I fixed this shit where my vents kept falling out. I just put some 3M there. Other than that, oh yes, one of my friends with an RX7, he made me this, which is pretty fucking sick. And yeah, that's about it. That's all that's new with the car. And this is our new studio. That's Mikhail's killer's machine. And this is the replacement for the fucking Volkswagen. For now, at least. Abdullah's coilovers video is still to be edited.
Yes, the MR2 is on coilovers now.
Here, come. Okay, let's film the rest inside because it's so loud here.
Meet my drift spares. So this is not the MR2. No. It is the fucking Wintermobile, boys. The fucking Corolla coaster, huh? The ultimate rotary problem. No gas. You explained what's up with your car yet?
No.
Lovely.
We'll do that after.
Surprise, surprise. It runs. Well, they didn't even know that it blew up. Holy fuck.
Yes.
Was that fuel good? Yeah, fuck.
I'm like, what the fuck? 7,000?
Sounds like you don't want to get home.
That's for the video.
All for the video. See what we do for you guys?
There's no U-turns here. So soon enough, they haven't seen this place yet. Give me the camera. So you guys haven't seen, all 12 of you haven't seen our new place. We've got a rotor from a 12A.
Yeah, we have a full engine.
Yeah, we have a full engine. The other housing and rotors in Ali's room. We've got
The rest is in boxes.
a 4AGE on the wall. Got another 4AGE on the wall. We've got my replacement taillight, which was supposed to go in last year, or earlier this year. An MR2 poster. That's about all the car shit we have. But well, you said what's new with you. Oh yeah, and we have a Ken Mary.
Oh yes.
Yes. You already said what's new with your car. My car has coilovers now.
That video will
That
hopefully be done before this one.
Yes, that
Most
video
likely
will be
not.
done soon.
Which is why we're saying this right now. Is hope to see MR2 video after this.
Yeah, so you guys will have already seen this video or the MR2 video by the time this one comes out, hopefully.
I don't think so.
I will finish editing it. The MR2 now has coilovers, and the MR2's engine has decided to mess with me a lot. There's moisture getting up into the spark plugs, so I'll drive it and it'll start misfiring, and then I have to take the spark plugs out, reset the ECU, and it's fine again. Clean the little valley gap, and then it works for about 10 minutes, and then it shits itself again, then it works for 10 minutes. 4AG shit. So the MR2 will hopefully be getting an update similar to the RX7 soon. However, I will not be rebuilding the shitty bridge port, the big port, the bridge port, the shitty big port that I have in there. The MR2 will get more power, like 140 of powers. It's a fuck ton, boys. Weight over power, baby.
But yes, this is just an update video. Probably pretty boring to you guys, but whatever.
Important nonetheless.
Yes.
All this will count when we go from 12 of you to 12,000 of you. 12 million of you, in fact.
Hopefully.
Soon. Next year we will have very good content for you guys.
See you all next year.